Detailed explanation on how to do SEO by your own effort. If you want to do SEO on your own, it can be a daunting task. There are so many things to learn before you can start doing SEO on your own, and even after you have learned everything you still need to do the work. This article will teach you how to do SEO by your own hand. You will be able to do SEO from anywhere you can get a laptop, and the things you need for this are things to know before start learning SEO. There are a lot of things to know before start learning SEO. This article will provide with the necessary knowledge you need to know for a beginning. SEO, as we all know, is the way to rank your website higher in the SERP's search engine result pages. One thing you should keep in mind is that it is not as easy as you think. SEO is not about putting up a website and forget it. In order to achieve a good ranking, you need to learn and implement a few principles to help you go a long way. Some of these principles are explained below. Keywords play a very important role in your SEO campaign. You have to choose keywords that are search-friendly. You can learn about keywords by searching on Google. Try to choose keywords that can be searched by your target audience. Content is the most essential part of any website. You have to create content that is unique and informative. In addition to content, you also need to optimize your website. Optimizing your website will help you attain a higher SERP. Achieving higher SERPs requires constant monitoring and tweaking of your website. Always make sure to check the link structure and other things to know before start learning SEO. In fact, there are a number of tools available on the internet to help you do this. As you can see from above, there are a lot of things to know before start learning SEO. If you are new to this field, SEO can be quite confusing and challenging. But with dedicated effort and constant practice, you will be able to master this art and start earning huge profits in no time. There are a lot of different resources that you can use in order to learn the intricacies of SEO. The most ideal way to learn SEO is by finding a reliable course or tutorial that will teach you everything you need to know. It is always important to choose a tutorial that teaches you step by step. So rather than spending months trying to learn through trial and error, you should just stick with a course that teaches you everything in detail. The good news is that there are a number of such tutorial courses available today. Once you learn the basics, SEO will continue to help your website achieve a higher ranking. You can also monetize your website with SEO. In fact, it has become very popular nowadays to sell advertising space on your website. To do this, all you have to do is place Google AdSense ads on your website. If your content is interesting enough, you are sure to attract a lot of visitors and you can make money out of it. In order to do this, you will need to learn how to optimize your website for Google and other search engines. By learning the ins and outs of SEO, you can easily overcome any problems that your website may encounter. So if you want to know before start learning SEO, here are a few things that you should know: the importance of keywords, how to use keywords effectively, how to optimize your website for Google and other search engines, how to hire a good SEO consultant, and how to monetize your website with SEO. Those are just some of the things to know before start learning SEO. Once you know the importance of keywords, you will be able to understand why SEO is very important for your business. How much time need to learn SEO? If you are looking for a way to make money from home and you are an internet marketer or an affiliate marketing enthusiast, you will have to learn how much time do you need to learn SEO. What I mean by this is the most basic part of internet marketing. You must know that the more hours you put into internet marketing and the more traffic you bring in, the more money you make. So if you want to make a lot of money on the internet, you must learn SEO. However, learning SEO does not have to be a difficult task. All you need to do is find a good school and start implementing your SEO knowledge right away. You can get the knowledge on SEO from your school, colleges, or from internet marketing gurus that you respect. However, it is highly recommended to take a class. This is because you will get a practical application of what you are learning, so you will know that what you are learning is in fact something that works. Most importantly, there will be someone there teaching you and showing you the techniques in real-life scenarios. The only difference between learning things online and in a classroom is that you are not there with a live instructor. When learning the ropes for SEO, it is vital that you do a lot of research. This way you can save time and get the most out of every single session that you spend learning SEO. Make sure to choose a program that has a comprehensive curriculum. Do not limit yourself because you want to learn as fast as possible or because it fits in with your schedule. You need to get SEO down pat and learn everything there is to know about this important aspect of internet marketing. How to do SEO by your own effort. The first thing you need to know is that SEO is not easy. It is going to take a lot of hard work. You will need to learn a lot about link building and keyword research, but most importantly you will need to know how to choose links carefully. Some links are more valuable than others, and you should focus on getting as many quality links as possible. These links will be what determines your search engine rankings. Once you know how to do SEO by your own, the next step is to learn how to drive targeted traffic to your site. One of the best ways is to use an article submitter. You can write your articles and submit them to article directories, or you can use a software program that will do this for you. Software programs usually take less time to write articles, but sometimes you still need a bit of help with keywords. You can ask an experienced writer for advice. The last thing you need to know about SEO is how to handle errors and mistakes when you are submitting your code manually. You need to know how to check your codes for spelling and grammatical errors. Sometimes you will get penalized for something you have overlooked, but it is worth it. If you can spend a few minutes correcting your code every day, it will pay off in the long run. You may not be able to check all of the software programs when you need to, so you may hire someone else to do this for you. Hiring someone to check your codes can be expensive, so you need to know what they charge before you hire them. It is always better to choose a company that has good reviews than a company with many complaints. Look for things like customer feedback on their website. The final step in learning how to do SEO by your own is to sign up for various services. Some of the services include Google AdWords, which will allow you to place relevant ads on your website. You can set a maximum amount to spend each month and set a limit on how often you will want to run these ads. Other services include Google Analytics. This will show you where visitors come from and how they leave your website. You will also find a wealth of information on social networks. You may have some special coding needs, or you may just want to customize your site a bit. There are some great things that you can use as a way to learn how to do SEO by your own. For instance, you can find websites that offer tutorials in common programming languages. There are also plenty of tutorials available that are aimed at making your life easier and using things you already have. These things are very helpful for someone just getting started. You will find that learning how to do SEO by your own means can be very easy and affordable. When you decide to outsource your work, make sure you think about how much the company will charge you for each task. You should find that there are plenty of different companies that can help you with your SEO needs. Do some research and choose the one that is best for your needs. Bonus: there are more than 45 tools which can help you with SEO research and SEO audits. Find all those tools if you wish to. Good part is all those tools is just free to use. Get access now. For more information, please visit SEOtoolsportal.com. If you like this video, then you can subscribe this channel for future updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.